Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let me go back quickly. Here we have to enter General Management, so scroll all the way down almost and then General Management. Now we have to tap on Language. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 3 languages added. So let's add new one. Let's tap on Add a Language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. I'll choose maybe Greek. Just tap on it, choose the region if you are allowed to. And as you can see, your device will immediately ask whether you want to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on Set as Default. As you can see, it will appear at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. If you want to, if you've got more than one languages added here in this list, you can quickly change them just by tapping on the specific language. So let me choose English, and this is probably Apply. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it has this tick icon, so our device should change it to English. And as you can see, it needed time to do it. However, it worked. Right now we've got the English at the top and the other language is under it. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit, mark the language you want to remove. I will remove all of them and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove. And as you can see, you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.